and some graffiti and some breaking and then
check it out. LOL. Blowjob back here. Go. Oh, make a slime real quick, dude.
Oh, there's only like one way. The Bank of America.
Where's Tom at?
He said,
oh yeah!
you want to listen to that? That's super bright, dog.
Alright, it's gonna be Gangsta, David, Tom, Ty, James, DJ. Took what?
Like, no, I already called him. I told him go ahead and go and
Niggas.
I know. I was like, whoa. It wasn't our fault. It wasn't our fault. Yeah, see the guy who wanted to record.
Oh yeah.
I love elements.
I know. Right?
Hold on.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, dude. Window. Hey, just everybody just go back in, dude. Come on, just go.
Oh yeah. Hey, yeah.
BJ Toshio.
Please make it.
How is it, dude?
Oh my gosh.
Dang, sounds like if you don't have the lid, you better hold it.
You gotta hold it anyways, but like...
We're almost there. I don't know where we at.
Go.
You good?
Whoa. Gangsta.
You good. Go down.
Again? How about hey, check it? Yeah, you good?
Go. You good.
Can I throw it now?
Dude, you can hold. You don't have to throw it away. You can throw that away anytime you want.
Man, look what goes. Hey, Peter, all up on me, y'all.
We're listening to really bad